Alright, I'm going to try and demonstrate for you how you're going to burn your magnesium today. And the apparatus is set up here. You've got your ring stand. On that ring stand you have one ring, okay, that's attached here. On there is your wire gauze, and this is a watch glass, okay, and that sits on top of there. Up here you've got a biuret or test tube clamp, okay, and that is on here, but it's not tight, so I can still move it this way. It's tight enough it won't move up or down, but it's not tight enough that it won't move side to side. Okay, and that's important because we're going to burn the magnesium in this set of tongs that's attached to the clamp, and then we're going to turn it over and we're going to drop it into the watch glass. So what we'll do is keep this tight. Okay, notice that the clamp is holding my tongs. I'm going to take my piece of magnesium, okay, and once I've got this tight enough, I can insert my piece of magnesium in there, and then I'm going to take this wing nut on top and I'm going to tighten it enough that that magnesium is not going to fall out. Okay, I don't want the magnesium to fall out at some point. Now I'm going to move this a little bit further away, and I'm going to light my Bunsen burner. Maybe. Okay, that one doesn't work. Light my Bunsen burner. Okay, and I do want this nice and hot. It's got to have that blue flame in there. I'm going to bring this a little bit closer to you. Hopefully you can see. You still can't. You can tell the flame is blue, but you can't really see the blue flame inside the blue flame. You really need that for this, otherwise it's not going to get hot enough. Okay, so now I've got my apparatus set up here. The magnesium is not in the flame yet. Okay, I can still move this, and now that I am set up, okay, I'm going to move my magnesium into the flame. Now again, you don't want to look at magnesium when it burns. It's very bright. Okay, and it could scar your retina, but we don't want to take that chance. All right, so we're going to move this into the flame, okay, and watch it burn on the iPad, but we don't want to do that again when it's burning. When that is all burnt, okay, I want you to shut off your Bunsen burner before you do anything else. Now you'll notice that some of mine fell onto the table. Okay, if it does that, we'll get something and we'll push it into the watch glass. Mine was a longer piece, okay, and so yours should stay in there. You're going to move it over now, okay, remember the Bunsen burner is off. Move it over the watch glass, and then you're going to loosen this clamp so that that piece of burnt magnesium falls into the watch glass. Okay, and now you can see that it's in there. Okay, now you can continue with the next step, but that's how you are going to burn your magnesium.